here we have the Elma 2-pole 24-way switch. What you need to do is turn it all the way. You can see the contact moving around. Turn it all the way up, so it's all the way to your left. Okay, and keep it like that. Don't change it. Also, don't move this at all. Now make sure you've got your 3 wires up the top like that. Make sure this is towards you as well. So undo your screws. Oh. Butterfingers. And then push that through there. Actually, take that. You can see there's holes there. Push it through. Push it through there. Hold it steady. Put the spacers on. So again, just to remind, 3 wires at the top. That bit at the top, and then make sure it's lined up. I'm going to get it right. And then with a long Phillips screwdriver, come in from the side, screw it up there, come in from the side, screw it up there. Plug your power supply in. Like that. And then you'll see it's going down. You press that to go up, press that. So it goes all the way to the bottom. And turn the volume up all the way to the top. Brilliant, done.